So I already cleansed my face with the Fenty Beauty Total Cleanser. Go ahead and tone my skin. I'm gonna tone it with the Fenty Skin Fat Water. So next I'm gonna go in with my Lancome Genifique Youth Activating Serum. A little pump of that, because it's good to have SPH during the day, right? So at nighttime I do go over like my nighttime regimen with Vaseline. It's just good for like wrinkles, fine lines, even though I don't have that yet. Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer by NYX. NYX Dewy Finish Spray. Pre-prep with my loose powder. This powder is a Translucent Honey by Laura Mercier. Pretty much pat like all the areas that you know where I get like shiny, because it's like an everyday makeup look, so you know you want your makeup to last during the day. And I'm gonna conceal with my LA Girl Pro Concealer again. Adding my liquid blush. This is Rare Beauty in the color Happy. I'm gonna go in with my foundation now, but let me going in with my Mink Beauty Hydra Build foundation. So I'm showcasing my brand Mink Beauty, www.minkbeauty.com. I'm using this in the color 5 Toffee Caramel. I think it's Toffee Caramel. And I normally just use like one pump. I don't use too much foundation. It's pretty much flawless this felt. Like listen, I have all this left, but yet what I like with this foundation, it's really buildable. Like you can definitely go for full coverage, you can go for not full coverage, like a nice light beat like what I'm doing now. My Fenty Beauty concealer, and this is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer, and I'm going to take this to highlight. It's in the color 370, so I use this concealer because it's like 2 shades lighter than me, and that's normally what I use to highlight. So I start from the corners my nose. Next, I'm going to snatch my nose, get my life, okay? Taking my powder brush, and I'm going in with my powder. I'm using the CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear, and I'm just going to tie everything together so nothing's like separated, especially my nose. Like, brush that out a little bit. Next is lashes. I'm going to be using, for my everyday look, I use Sparkle. It's my Mint Beauty, of course. And if you don't know, now you know. Okay. www.minkbeauty.com. Get yours. I'm going in with my Mink Beauty Lash Style Sparkle. I got my scissors. I have like little beady eyes, so I have to cut them down to my lash size. Gotta hit them bottom lashes. Finish it off with my Until Dawn by One Side. Shout out Patrick Ta. And it's a mattifying setting spray. I forgot to apply this earlier. Normally I put my Fenty Beauty Heat lip gloss on and kind of make it set to plump my lips, but I guess I'll do it now. Keep that on for like a good 5 minutes just to plump my lips up a little bit. BRB. I'm deciding if I should leave it matte or you see how plump my lips got? I feel like I love that Fenty Beauty Heat in the color Cherry, and it really gives your lip that pretty, that pretty natural pink. And with this lip liner brownie, everything just comes together. And I don't even think I'm adding lip gloss because that's how I'm feeling. In my blush brush just a little bit because it's very pigmented. I'm a blush girl, so not too much, but on my nose. Blend that in because I don't want too much. So I want to give it that natural I might throw some lip gloss on depending on how I feel. Should I throw some lip gloss on? Let me see. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Lip Blast lip gloss. So that completes my everyday makeup look. Real light, flawless. Y'all see it, y'all see it. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, all that good stuff. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And I really enjoyed making this video today. Like, I feel like I'm a whole Vogue. Like, I'm supposed to be in Vogue now. Like, you cannot tell me I'm not in Vogue, okay? So again, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And until next video, thank you guys for watching.